Dahua Smart Parking Solution streamlines the entire parking experience from entry to exit. As vehicles approach, real-time availability displays guide drivers to open spaces across multiple levels. The entry-exit solution integrates several access methods, such as RFID, ideal for countries that don't require a front license plate, ticket dispensing for visitors, and ANPR technology for approved registered vehicles, which can recognize plates from 120 countries with up to 98% accuracy. The all-in-one barrier integrates an ANPR camera directly into the barrier unit, eliminating the need for separate camera installations. For outdoor parking or standalone options, the 413 camera supports one-touch firmware upgrading for entrance, exit, and outdoor parking modes. LED guidance displays show vacancy counts and directional arrows, directing drivers to available spaces. Once parked, the parking camera detects occupancy and changes the indicator light color. Parking cameras monitor up to 12 spaces with 99.5% occupancy detection accuracy, or 8 spaces when ANPR is activated. The indicator light supports 7 different colors to show parking status. Event analysis detects smoke, fire, foreign objects, and unauthorized parking, triggering real-time audible and visual alerts. When incidents occur, Dahua WizSeek uses text-based video search to quickly locate footage, making investigations faster and more efficient. As mentioned earlier, the ITC 413 can also cover outdoor parking lots, roadside spaces, EV charging stations, and other open-air parking areas. One camera can monitor up to 50 spaces, making it a flexible and efficient solution for a variety of outdoor parking needs. If you forget where you parked, the system offers 2 options. Use the Find My Car kiosk or scan a QR code. With DSS, you can now generate QR codes to print and post on walls. Mobile phones scan the QR code to launch the vehicle locator page. At exit, drivers simply scan their tickets for automated processing. The solution supports POS and online payment integration, allowing it to fit local payment habits. Dahua's Smart Parking Solution provides efficient, automated parking from entry to exit. For more information about our products and solutions, you can visit the links below or contact your local Dahua retailer. As always, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification icon. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a smarter society and better living.